Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Fall Guys does not start on PC, then this is the right video for you. First, open Epic Games Launcher on your computer. Then, go to Library. From here, click on the three dots below Fall Guys. Then, go to Manage and click on Verify beside Verify Files. After that, click on the three dots again and go to Manage. This time, go to the installation option below Interface. Click on the folder icon beside Uninstall. In here, you will see an Epic Games folder. Now locate the file named Fall Guys Client. Once you find it, right-click on it and then go to Properties. From here, go to Compatibility and click on Disable Full Screen Optimization and then click on Run this program as an administrator. After that, select Apply. Now search and open Device Manager on your computer. From here, go to Display Adapters. Make sure to update your drivers. Just select Search automatically for drivers and update all your drivers the same way. That should fix your problem. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.